This is honestly one of the best products I've come across during my search for a winning idea, and I highly recommend that you start designing and selling it today. There are so many opportunities for success with these kinds of visually attractive products. Let's begin our quick product analysis, and I'll show you step by step how we can design it professionally. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment on this video. I put a lot of time and effort into creating these tutorials, and your support really helps me continue making more videos like this. Now, if we take a look at the top of the screen, you'll see that this product is currently making sales, even as I'm recording this video. The seller is offering this item for $2.85, and when we scroll down, we can see it already has over 1,500 positive reviews. But we know that not all buyers leave reviews, so let's assume that around 4,000 customers purchased it. That means, with a simple calculation, this product has earned close to $12,000 in revenue. Impressive, right? Looking at the reviews, we can also see they're recent and very positive. And don't worry, this is a digital product, so you don't need to print or ship anything. Alright, let's take a closer look at what makes this product special. The idea is simple but genius. It helps children learn the alphabet and recognize words that begin with each letter. Each bag represents a letter. For example, the first bag is for A. On that page, there are 6 boxes where the child will cut out pictures of objects starting with the letter A and paste them onto the bag. The same concept applies to the rest of the alphabet. The seller clearly mentions it's a digital download. You simply download, print, and use it at home or in the classroom. Now let's move to the fun part, designing this product. We'll go to Canva and create a new design with dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches. The idea is to design 2 pages per letter. For example, for the letter A, the first page will be the bag page with 6 empty boxes. The second page will include 6 objects that start with the letter A, such as apple, ant, and alligator, which the child will cut out and paste onto the bag. Let's begin. In the Elements tab, search for School Bag. You'll find hundreds of cute designs to choose from. For example, I'll pick this pink bag and place it at the center of the page. Next, go back to Elements, add a square, and change its color to white for clarity. We need 6 boxes on the bag, so I'll duplicate this square 6 times and resize it slightly to fit nicely on the bag. Then I'll arrange them neatly in 2 rows of 3. To make it more appealing, I'll reduce the opacity a little so the white looks softer and blends better. Now, to label this bag, we need to add the letter. Since this is the A bag, we'll press T on the keyboard to add text. Replace it with A, change its color to white, increase the size, and add a black outline for contrast. And that's it. Our first bag page is done. See? These products are actually easy to create. It's just about getting started. Stick with me, and I'll show you even more. The first few pages might take longer, but once you set up the base design, the rest become much faster. For example, to create the B bag page, simply duplicate the A page, change A to B, and if you want to make it more visually appealing, change the bag color. Let's make the B bag blue, for example. Then for C, we'll duplicate again, change the letter to C, and use orange for the bag. You can continue this process for all the remaining letters. If we go back to the original product, we'll see that each letter includes 2 pages, the bag page, the objects page. Now, let's design the second page, the one with the cutout objects. It's important to note, the box sizes on both pages must match exactly, so when kids cut them out and paste them, everything aligns perfectly. Let's design the A objects page. We'll copy the letter A and place it at the top of the new page, then make it pink to match the A bag. This gives consistency and makes the design look cohesive. Next, select all 6 squares from the first page. Hold Shift while clicking. Copy them and paste them on the new page. Now go to the stroke section and make the borders dashed lines with a thickness of 2, so it's clear where to cut. Adjust the spacing a bit to make it easier for kids to cut comfortably. Now I'll head to ChatGPT and ask it to list 6 objects that start with A for kids. Once I get the words, I'll return to Canva and type each word inside a box. After that, I'll search for each object in the Elements tab. For example, apple, ant, alligator, and place a cute image of each one in its corresponding box. And now our A pages are done. Pretty awesome, right? The other letters will be even easier. For B, we just duplicate the page, change the letter to B, update the color to blue, and replace the images and words. Again, using ChatGPT to help generate kid-friendly words. Once you follow this system, you can complete the whole alphabet quickly. Let's take a look at the overall design. It looks fantastic. I'm really happy with how it turned out. If you've decided to sell these kinds of products on Etsy, just like the one I showed you in this video, then head over to my channel and look for the video titled, "The Simple Etsy Product Made $7,800, Low Competition." I highly recommend watching that video because it explains a very similar idea to this one. Together, these two products will create a great sense of harmony in your Etsy shop. You'll also find 3 more videos on my channel where I showcase other similar products. You can list them in your store as well. I've been really active lately in this type of product category. But if you're more interested in selling on Amazon, scroll down a bit and you'll find 2 detailed tutorials where I explain how to create complete books, including covers, step by step. You can definitely check those out too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you need help with anything, just leave a comment below. I read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.